Welcome. Today in front of me iPhone 14 Plus, and I'll show you how to switch on flashlight on this device. So if you want to use the flashlight from your iPhone 14 Plus, you can make it by a couple of different ways. For example, you can activate it on the lock screen. Here on the left down corner you can see the flashlight, the torch icon. Just hold for a while this icon, and now we can see that the flashlight successfully activated. That's just to turn it off, we should click here on the torch icon once again, and that's it. Also, I have the second way how we can do that. Just first unlock your smartphone, open just the control panel, control center, and then you should find somewhere here the torch icon. Just click on this icon, and now we can see that the flashlight is activated. If you want to turn it off, by the same way, click on this icon. And also you can here change the level here of the brightness on the flashlight. So just to do that, we should hold it, and after that we can slide this panel, and by this way we can change here the level of our flashlight brightness. And just to turn it off, click here. If you want to turn it off, you should click here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.